Welcome to today's Sport News Update. Let's dive right into the latest headlines and updates, keeping you in the know about all things sports. Kaizer Chiefs' interest in VELEBAYI has seemingly cooled, with coach Nabi shifting his focus towards acquiring experienced players to bolster the team's struggling campaign. Currently standing in 9th place on the PSL log, Amakosi are desperate to turn their fortunes around, and Nabi believes that bringing in seasoned players will be key to their revival. While VELEBAYI's name had been mentioned as a potential target, Nabi appears to have moved on, instead urging the management to secure experienced strikers who can immediately impact the team. With the transfer window set to open soon, Chiefs fans will be eagerly watching to see who the club brings in to address their scoring woes. In the meantime, Amakosi will be looking to end the year on a high when they take on Chippa United on December 29th. A win in their final match of the year would be a much-needed boost ahead of the new year. Can Kaizer Chiefs turn their season around and climb the PSL rankings? Only time will tell.